The video we're watching is of someone who has called into my switch that either has a computer or an SF test set. My internet actually worked well enough that they were able to send an SF signal over the internet through to the SF receiver, which was then of course opening and closing the loop as they were turning the tone receivers off and on. It worked exceptionally well for the moment that I caught it on video. They just hung up. So that was a call that was 100% dialed remotely using SF. I have only one circuit wired up for the spatial access selector. Thank you for watching.